Well, you are a student or stay at home mom and you need jobs that are flexible. So you can work when you can work, study when you have to study, and party when you want to. Working part time will overwhelm you and you will not have the time to manage and finish everything, and you will lose your job or you will not be able to have the grades that you desire. Hi guys, my name is Rusha, and today I will tell you how you can make money working from the comfort of your home. Fiverr is an online marketplace that offers a variety of services, tasks, and mini jobs. It was founded in 2010. Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise their digital services. On Fiverr, the offered services are referred to as gigs, and many of them start as just $5. However, this is just the base pay. You will find plenty of gigs that pay in the same comparable range as other jobs. You can provide services from graphic and design, online marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming, tech, advertising, business, lifestyle, and many other categories and subcategories. There are thousands of different gigs offered on Fiverr, and the services that you can sell on this website is unlimited. By connecting sellers directly with freelancers, Fiverr has grown to become one of the largest websites to offer an online service exchange. Its popularity in the industry makes it a desirable way to earn money as a side gig or even professionally. Creating an account with Fiverr is completely free. This is one of the best features of the website. It won't cost you a penny to browse or see what gigs are available. Starting your own gig on Fiverr allows you much more control over what you do, when and where you work, and how much you get paid for it. In order to make money on Fiverr, you must be a registered user. So, your first step is to sign up for a new account. Once you enter your contact information, your account will be created. Once you have created your account and become a registered user, so the next step is to create a profile. Your profile is perhaps the most important way to get a job on Fiverr. It's your opportunity to showcase your experience, skills, and history to buyers. You need to sell yourself with your profile. This is the first thing buyers see when deciding who to hire, so make your first impression a good one. Now you have a descriptive profile, so the next step is to create a gig to share with potential buyers. You will need to provide information on your services, requirements, and what you will charge. Think of the Fiverr gig as your job description. After reading your profile, a buyer will look through your gig to see if you are a good fit for their project. After creating a profile and gig, although you can sit back and relax while buyers look through your profile, you will get more gigs if you work proactively. Some buyers will post a request for a service which explains what they need to be done, when they need it, and how much they are willing to pay. As a seller, you can browse these requests and send offers directly to the buyer. To help you get started, I have put together a list of some gigs that do not require high-tech skills and can fit around your schedule very well. The first gig I am going to tell you is pretty popular on Fiverr. As a freelancer, it's worth thinking of ways that you can help businesses save time by taking certain tasks off their hands. Web researching is one of particular time-saving gig that can see you getting paid for your work. You need to pay attention to details and use your investigative and research skills and then your ability to collect information in concise report. Web research typically involves tracking down email addresses, images, or brand mentions online, or even just assessing how the competition is doing. It's pretty adaptable freelance work. If you are happy to do other digital admin tasks such as email management, transcription, data entry, documentation, and communication, it's worth advertising your gig as a virtual assistant role. This is a common way to make money on Fiverr. If you enjoy reading, then you can be a document proofreader and editor. If you are the type of person to read a paper 5 times over before finally handing it in to make sure grammar and punctuations are perfect, if so, then you might turn out to be a perfect professional proofreader. Proofreaders require a keen eye and attention to detail just like other editors in the publishing business. A proofreader's work ensures that a script is polished and ready to be read by the wider public. When you start finding proofreading contracts and job, don't forget updating your resume. Make sure it's updated after each article you submit. If getting insider access to future trends appeals to you, user testing is definitely worth a look. Product testing is a way for companies to get real user feedback on a product or service before pushing it to the market. When doing freelance user testing, you could be required to give feedback on everything from websites, games, apps, to customer services and complaints. It's worth bearing in mind that if you specialize as a user tester in certain areas like tech or stationery, you could increase your chances of getting early access to products ahead of their launch, plus the chance to help shape their development. If you don't sure what your ideal freelance gig is, just do what you love. It's as simple as that. You can create a gig to share your gardening skills, pottery, painting a clay pots, or your parents made you to do piano lesson every Saturday for 5 years. There's someone out there who will pay you to learn from you. You just need to have interpersonal and teaching skills, specialized knowledge in a particular areas, and your ability to create teaching resources in written or video formats. You can then sell these resources as well as offering face-to-face teaching. Being able to spot and capitalize on trends is a very useful skill when it comes to making money as a freelancer. For instance, self-publishing has exploded in the last decade, with the thousands of authors clumping for ebook formats to make money from their writing. And because of this, there are now massive demand for digital book cover designs. You just need to have strong design skills, time management, strong image making abilities, visual analysis skills, and up to date knowledge of visual trends in publishing. As a freelancer, you could be involved in designing ebook covers or could be asked to make custom made covers or templates or do technical troubleshooting. If you are a natural at building online followings and creating viral posts on social media, your skills could be incredibly useful to businesses. It could be the perfect way for you to make money on Fiverr. Flexing your digital skills can be good for you too, as a proven experience of managing marketing campaigns, search engine optimization, or customer engagement is highly relevant to plenty of career paths. You just need to have understanding of how to generate engagement on social media and your ability to adapt content and tone for different social platforms to build a following. As a freelance social media manager, you could offer packages to boost businesses' followings or social strategies, such as offering ready-made tweets and Instagram content or creating original posts tailored to the brand for a higher fee. You could also do picture sourcing, editing tasks, or even offer to start up social media profiles from scratch. Especially if you have a strong social media following, another great way to make money is by charging businesses a fee to share their content on your social profiles. If you can speak more than one language, you can easily make extra cash by translating documents for others. Businesses are eagerly looking for multilingual sellers who can translate different documents and articles. Along the same line, you can also find buyers looking to learn a new language on Fiverr. If you have the patience for teaching, you can put those language skills to good use. There are a lot of eager students willing to pay for a private language tutor. Voice over work is a popular gig even for those without a lot of experience. All you need is a clear speaking voice in order to find a variety of different gigs. There are tons of gigs on Fiverr for every type of voice: American accent, British accent, male, female, you can name it. It is important to decide what kind of a gig you are going to offer. Figure out what your best skills and hobbies are and what type of product or service can you sell. No idea is a bad idea on Fiverr. Your idea, your gig that you are going to offer can be completely nuts, and you might be surprised that people will actually pay for it. It is important to choose something that you enjoy doing. Don't offer gigs that require hours of work, especially if you are offering just $5 gigs. Offer something that you can do in 10 to 30 minutes. So guys, that was all about starting your gig on Fiverr. I hope this video has inspired you the one way or the other. Please subscribe to my channel for all upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you next time.